Modding for Marvel Rivals is easier than ever. This guide will show you how to set up your mods folder and use the updated repak tool. But before all else, finding your packs folder is essential. To start, navigate to your packs folder. For Epic Games, find Marvel Rivals. Click on these three dots, go to Manage, and then click on the folder icon next to the installation. For Steam, right-click Marvel Rivals, go to Manage, and click Browse Local Files, both leading you to the same folder. Once you do this, a File Explorer window will open. Inside, go to Marvel Game folder, then Content, and finally Packs. Inside the pack folder, create a new folder named Mods. Make sure the tilde is there right before the mods, so make sure it looks exactly like mine. If you're unsure how to type it, I'll leave it in the comments for you to copy and paste from. Create the folder, right-click an empty space, go to New, select Folder, and rename it to Mods. This is where all your mods in the .pack format will go. Now browse Nexus Mods to find the mod that you want. If a mod was uploaded or updated on February 25th or later, no repak is needed. For example, let's download this mod. Go to the Files tab, click Manual Download. If you don't see download buttons, make sure you have a free Nexus Mods account. Your downloaded mod will be in .zip or .rar format. To unzip it, you can use 7-zip, WinRAR, or built-in Windows zip tool, which are all free alternatives. I personally use WinRAR, so I'll leave a guide in the description to help you out if you need. Once extracted, if the mod was uploaded on or after February 25th, simply drag the .pack file into your mods folder, and that's it. When you load the game, your new mod should work. Mods uploaded before February 25th require the repak rival tool. Make sure you download the correct version, which should be authored by Natty Mary. I'll provide links for both Nexus Mods and GitHub versions. On Nexus Mods, go to Files and click Manual Download. On GitHub, choose the appropriate version for Windows or Linux and download the file. After downloading, extract the tool. Inside, you'll find the necessary files to convert older mods. For mods before Season 1, which is before February 10th, download and extract the mod. Drag the mod folder into the repak rival folder. Then drag the folder over the repakMod.bat file. This creates a new .pack file. All you have to do is move it to your mods folder just like any other mod. For Season 1 mods that haven't been updated to the latest patch, place the mod files into the repak rival folder, then drag them over the fixLastPatchMods.bat file. Command prompt window should open, and just press any key to continue. And lastly, new .pack file will be created, which you are to move to your mods folder. Once you load the game, the old mod should work now. If you're unsure which .bat file to use, don't worry. I'll cover that in more detail later. But basically, if you're unsure which .bat file to use, just make your best guess. If your game crashes, then you're probably using the wrong one and just replace it with the other one. If your game still keeps crashing, then the mod is probably incompatible with the repak. So you'll need to wait for the mod author to update it. Sucks, but it's sometimes the case. Keep in mind that not all mods will work with the latest version of Marvel Rivals. If a mod still doesn't work after using both the repacking methods, it's either too outdated to be converted or structured in a way that the repak rival can't fix. For the most stable experience, always wait for the mod authors to update their mods. Repak Rival is useful for getting older mods running, but for fewer crashes and better performance, waiting for an official update is your safest option and always will be. If this tutorial helped you at all, consider subscribing.